Maybe this is do or die.
So I've been suffering with lots of water in the boot. Mk7 Golf GTI. Obviously stripped the bumper off at the moment, but a lot of people are saying it's the drain tube on the badge of the car, which is incorrect. I'll just show you what I've found. Just taken one of the vents off and the second one to take off here. Give it a bit of a pull. You can see from there I've got some replacement vents, so I'm not worried about them breaking, but you can see it's full of water. So again, the fix is to take your bumper off, as I've done here, and remove these vents. Obviously there's a little grommet in there so you can drain your water out. Press that down and then clean everything up and seal with some fresh silicone or tiger seal around these vents to solve the problem. I'll probably put some silicone around here, just where the panel is spot welded on. I think the water is coming through here, but hopefully if I seal around the new vent, that should solve the problem. No thanks to Volkswagen, who were no help whatsoever when I took it there. So there we go. I hope that helps someone. Thank you very much.
I already know you lied. Oh no, don't even try.
Okay, so just again, just want to show you what I've done before I put things back together. Put a bead of tiger seal along the panels there where the creases are. Hopefully no water should get there as well. I've just masked off the area and I've put a bead of tiger seal along here. I'm just being extra neat. You don't really need the masking tape, no one will see it, but just in case it goes everywhere. And then I'll put the new vent on and I'll put another bead around the vent along the rubber gasket that sits along the panel, and hopefully that will solve the issue. So I hope this helps someone. Thank you very much.